Good day, this is Sergey and I'm gonna teach you now about arcs and central angles. Okay, so we have the central angle intercepted arc postulate. The measure of a central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. Okay, so example, given segment AB, segment AD, and segment FG are diameters of circle C, and the measure of angle ACF is 40 degrees, find the measure of the following. Number 1 is the measure of arc AF. So the measure of arc AF is, so since the central angle is 40 degrees, so the measure of its intercepted arc, which is arc AF, is 40 degrees also. Okay, number 2. Find the measure of arc FE. Okay, so since ACF is a right angle and it divides the semicircle into two, so it is a right angle, and since AF is 40, so therefore FE is, so if that is a right angle, then the measure of that is 90 degrees. So 90 minus 40 is 50, the measure of arc FE. Okay, number 3. What is the measure of arc BDA? Okay, so arc BDA. Okay, so since arc BDA is a semicircle, therefore the measure of arc BDA is 180 degrees. Number 4. Find the measure of arc FBD. Okay, FBD. So FBD is from here hanggang dito sa B natin. Okay, i-erase ko muna itong unang dinrawing ko. Ayan. Okay, so next is, okay, so FBD tayo. So FBD. Ayan. Okay, so since itong EBD is a semicircle, so that is 180. Ngayon, 180 plus 50 ka is 230 degrees. The measure of arc FBD. 180 plus 50 degrees. Alright, number 5. Find the measure of arc BAG. Okay, BAG. So, BAG. Okay, so since ito ay vertical angle, itong angle FCA at BCG, so two opposite angles yan. So therefore, ang measure nito ay 40 degrees din. Then the measure of its intercepted arc, itong arc BG, is 40 degrees also. Okay, so ang gawin mo na lang dyan is 360 minus 40. 360 degrees minus 40 degrees. Okay? And that is 320 degrees. Pwede rin, i-add mo itong BE, di ba ano tayo, BAG? So itong BEA, that is 180 degrees, plus itong AD natin, which is 90. Okay, so 180 plus 90 is 270 degrees. Plus ito ay 50 degrees. Ayan. So, 180 plus 90, 270. 270 plus 50 is 320 degrees also. Okay, pwede mo pa plus. Or, diretso mo na lang i-minus itong 40 degrees from 360. Number 6. Angle ECB. Okay, so I'll erase this one. I-erase ko muna to, class. Ayan. Next is angle ECB. Okay, so angle ECB is ito yon. This is angle ECB. Okay, so that is 90 degrees. Okay? A right angle. Number 7 is angle DCG. Okay, angle DCG. CG, ayan. Okay, so vertical angle siya. Itong two opposite angles natin, itong FCE at DCG. So since they are vertical angles, so the measure of their angle is the same. So 50 degrees itong FCE, so itong DCG 50 degrees also. Okay? So that is 50 degrees. Okay, number 8. Angle ECG. Okay, yung angle ECG naman, ECG, so that is 90 na to dito, plus ito pa, which is 40, so that is 130 degrees, yung angle ECG natin. Then next, ayan o, 130 degrees. Okay? So next is number 9, angle FCB. Okay, angle FCB. So ito yon, FCB. Okay, so ito yung angle FCB natin. This one, angle FCB. So 90 plus 50 is 140 degrees. Then last one, angle FCD. Okay, angle FCD, this one. Okay, so 40 plus 90 is 130 degrees. Okay, so next, do the following, okay, for exercise. In circle E, the measure of angle TAH is 70 degrees. Find the measure of arc TZ. Okay, then find the measure of the following. Ayan, given circle G, the measure of angle AGE is 152 degrees. Okay, so that's all for this day. Thank you for listening.